Sunday!
Cruise Sunday.
Cruise Sunday.
Cruise Sunday!
Bruise Sunday. The soup version.
The
We'll
soup.
go get some water from Sunday. God damn it!
Ah. I like this. I like this a lot. Whatever this
All
is.
of you were here.
It's perfect. My board. Where are you going?
Alright, guys. Go right out there and kiss out.
Give me a minute. Look it around for a sign. Fuck. Already found it.
What?
Over there. No skateboarding.
What?
Wow. Too slow.
Way too slow.
If you get it, you got my respect.
Hurry up though.
Dude, this is so bad. This is like scarred. Dude, you're jumping.
Alright.
And this is the time I break my ankle.
Why should be the time
Almost hurt yourself?
I want to keep going.
with your regular ollie, pop, slide up.
Never mind.
Try to take it with your knee. Try to go beyond the nose with your knee. Your shoe's gonna slide up. Your knee has to take it. That's what levels it out. Land it on both feet. Right? So I'm here with Jones. All right. So you are trying to ollie this little curved little piece. You're having a couple issues. All right. All right. I want you to talk loud too.
All right.
All right. So what do you think is your issue right now as far as you trying to clear it?
My front foot's not grabbing onto the board.
So it's not grabbing onto the board. All right. A good tip for that. This is for anybody where they kind of feel like their ollies are doing this. It's a mix of two things. It's a mix of commitment. It's a mix of your knee, right? So when you try to jump over the curb, try to get your knee to poke out a little bit more. Because when you're sliding it up, you're not just sliding it like this. Sliding it like that. This aims, right? It's also commitment. You got to know that you have to go over it. A lot of it's in your mind. In the mid-air, your body wants to kind of bail out. So instead of actually catching onto it, you're actually doing this.
Space. I'm happy I recorded that. Perfect.
I believe I can fly.
That was nice.
Bend your knees. What was that? That was the most dramatic fall I ever seen.
That would have scared the shit out of me hearing the sound of your wheel.
Alright, so Josh's trick is to land an ollie over the widest, over this little bank here. This would be his widest ollie, and not his highest, but his widest. You see, it's good to continue the ollie practice.
We're up for trouble, we're on the road. Irish boys looking for some fun.
I think you start straight.
People that way are no good. They never knew what we could. They're like the old neighborhood. People won't say what we want.
Oh, dude, so close.
How you doing?
Good. Good day, baby.
Good day.
Yeah.
Good day. High five to the camera.
Huh?
High five.